Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the Embed HTML widget on the TrouDigital Online Studio. With the Embed HTML widget, you can display live web pages and even HTML code widgets right onto your screen. To get started, log into the TrouDigital Studio, head over to the Creatives tab, and either open up a creative or start fresh by clicking the Create from Template button. Once you've entered the online studio, be sure to name your creative. Then you'll need to locate the Embed HTML widget, which looks like this. Click, drag and drop the widget onto the design canvas. Resize the widget using the toggles on the corners or the sides of the widget, or to full size the widget automatically, click the Fit button. Now I'm going to show you how to add content to the Embed HTML widget. Simply double click inside the blue box and you'll be presented with the option to paste a URL or iframe into the widget. For our first example, I'm going to show you how to show a live web page. I've taken the URL of TrouDigital's homepage. Simply copy the URL and paste it into the widget. If you click outside of the creative canvas, you'll see that our content loads up in the background. If I quickly save what we've done and hit preview, we can see that our live web page is being shown, including the cookie policy. With the Embed HTML widget, you even have the option to show live templates on your screens. Using TrouDigital's online template platform, I can simply copy the URL from a template that I want to display, double click on the Embed HTML widget, replace the URL, click on the creative canvas, and you can see the template loads in the background. If I hit save again and press preview, we can see that our live template is shown on the screen. Finally, I'm going to show you how to display iframe content using the Embed HTML widget. Simply find the iframe code that you wish to display, double click on the Embed HTML widget, replace the URL with the iframe code, click outside of the creative canvas, and you can see that our iframe is now embedded into our screen content. If I press save and preview, you can see that the content plays on the screen. And that's it. You've mastered the TrouDigital Embed HTML widget. If you have any questions or need any help using the widget, please email support@troudigital.com. Thank you.